I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Cal Hypo versus Liquid Chlorine. We will delve into their fundamental differences, starting with their chemical composition and physical forms. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for effective pool maintenance. We'll then examine how each impacts your water chemistry, their application methods, and important considerations regarding cost, storage, and safety. Let's get started with the basics. Let's look at their composition. Cal Hypo, or calcium hypochlorite, is a solid that introduces calcium into your pool water, which can impact calcium hardness levels over time. On the other hand, liquid chlorine, or sodium hypochlorite, is a liquid solution that adds sodium without affecting your calcium hardness. Cal Hypo is generally more stable in storage, while liquid chlorine can degrade faster, especially in warm conditions. Both require proper ventilation and safety precautions during handling. Now, let's discuss application and water chemistry. Cal Hypo is typically applied by dissolving its granular form in water before adding it to the pool, or by using specialized feeders for tablets. Liquid chlorine is often poured directly into the pool or dosed through automated systems. Cal Hypo boasts a higher concentration, usually 65 to 70% available chlorine, while liquid chlorine typically offers 10 to 12.5%. This concentration difference impacts the amount needed for effective sanitization. Finally, let's consider cost, storage, and safety. Cal Hypo generally has a longer shelf life, maintaining its potency for extended periods when stored in a cool, dry place. Liquid chlorine, however, degrades more quickly, particularly when exposed to heat and sunlight. While Cal Hypo might seem more expensive upfront, its higher concentration can offer better value per pound of available chlorine. Remember, both chemicals are powerful and require appropriate safety gear, like gloves and eye protection, and good ventilation during handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.